far west region of New South Wales is a beautiful and diverse place. We have an array of plants and animals here that can be found nowhere else, and mesquite is one introduced plant that needs to be managed. I'm Matthew Goulton. I work for the Western Catchment Management Authority in Broken Hill, and I'm a Community Support Officer. We're standing under a mature mesquite tree on the outskirts of Broken Hill, and the key to identifying mesquite is generally one of four characteristics. The yellowish green flowers at the end of the stems, the fern-like leaves, the mature pods, or the distinctive zigzagging characteristics that the outer branches have. Mesquite is such a problem because it spreads so easily, and within the space of a couple of years it can form quite dense thickets that has massive impacts on both production and biodiversity. Well, mesquite very easily outcompetes both ground cover, shrub cover, and also stops canopy trees from getting through. It's also a harbour for pests such as rabbits and foxes and other weeds. Once you have a dense infestation of mesquite on your property, it's quite hard to manage anything within that area. Mesquite's generally spread in one of two ways, the first being by water and the second being by stock after they've eaten the seed pods, which have quite a high level of protein. Mesquite is a weed of national significance. This means that landholders are legally obliged to control it on their property. Well, the first step in controlling mesquite on your property is to identify where all the plants are, ideally GPSing them, and the second would be to remove or restrict stock access from the infestations to reduce seed spread, and the third would be to apply a herbicide. For plants such as this one, the only option would be to mechanically remove it, and paste application of herbicide would suit. Otherwise, foliar spray for smaller plants is sufficient. Currently, we've got infestations in the Western Division in all land types. We have infestations such as this in creeks. We also have them on sandy ridges and right up on rocky hills. So I think anywhere in the rangelands has a potential to be infested by mesquite if we don't manage the problem.